Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage PPC campaigns with Google Ads, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your campaign goals. Identify your target audience. Research relevant keywords for your niche. Use keyword research tools for better insights. Create a new campaign in Google Ads. Select the campaign type that aligns with your goals. Choose your campaign settings, including networks and locations. Set your budget to control spending. Decide on a bidding strategy that fits your objectives. Create ad groups to organize your keywords. Write compelling ad copy that attracts clicks. Include clear calls to action in your ads. Use ad extensions to provide additional information. Upload relevant images or videos if applicable. Set up conversion tracking to measure success. Monitor your campaign performance regularly. Analyze data to identify areas for improvement. Adjust bids based on performance and competition. Experiment with A/B testing for ad variations. Optimize keyword lists by adding negative keywords. Refine targeting based on audience insights. Revisit and adjust your budget as needed. Continue to monitor and refine your strategy over time. Stay updated on changes within Google Ads for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.